Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Ensure your device and browser support Material You theming and new tab customization. Once confirmed, make a quick backup of theme settings and bookmarks so you can revert if needed. Open the browser settings and go straight to the new tab or appearance panel. Do not linger. From here, choose the Material You option and pick a base color or wallpaper. This gets the process started and places you directly into the customization flow. You now focus on detailed customization. First, pick primary and accent colors or enable dynamic wallpaper extraction so colors match your background. This ensures visual harmony. Then adjust layout density. Choose compact, comfortable, or spacious, because spacing affects readability and touch targets. Once done, toggle widgets, cards, and quick links on or off and position them. Make sure to test scroll behavior. Take a moment to preview changes. This hands-on iteration. You finish by saving and applying changes, then test across several tabs and profiles to confirm consistency. If colors clash or text lacks contrast, reset the palette or re-extract wallpaper colors to improve legibility. Make sure to clear the browser cache and restart if UI elements misalign. If problems persist, revert to your backup settings to return to a stable state, then reapply choices more gradually. One tip: check accessibility contrast ratios before finalizing to avoid readability issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.